This is a place in my apartment complex where I bring the dogs, and then people, this is the smoking area. It's huge. I don't smoke, but I come in here. The dogs seem to like to go potty in here. But the birds are just going nuts today in this big tree of Douglas fir. I miss the sound of birds so much from where I grew up. And in Arizona, you just hear these nasty birds that I couldn't stand. And these are real birds. There's a police station real close to here, so we do hear sirens. But I wanted to hear the birds and share this big tree with you. It's so relaxing here, it's not even funny. We just got back from our walk in the woods. Oh, I think it's starting to rain. Better get out of here. See ya.